You ever stop to think about how every website you use actually works? Welcome Techverse, the space where technology meets creativity. And in this very first video, we are going to explore the fascinating world of web development, the process of building everything you see and use on the internet, from the front end, which controls what you see on your screen, to the back end, which powers everything behind it. We'll break down how websites are created, how they are work, and what tools developers use to make them alive. Whether you are planning to become a developer or just curious about how the web really functions, this video will give you a clear, simple overview of what the web development is all about. So grab your headphones, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of web development. Web development is the process of creating a website and web application that runs on the internet. It involves multiple disciplines, tools, and layers, from deciding what users see to coding what apps behind the scene. Then, why web development matters? Every website, from social media to e-commerce, relies on web development. It allows businesses, creators, and organizations to reach audience online. Web development skills are highly in demand at these times. We can broadly divide web development into three. The first one is front-end, the part of websites that users see and interact. It handles layout, design, and interactivity. It uses different language and the tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and others. And the second one is backend. It's the part that runs behind the scene to make website functional. It handles data storage, security, authentication, and business logic. It uses different language and tools like Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, and etc. For example, when you log into a website, the backend checks your username and password against the database before letting you in. The third one is full stack development. It combines front-end, back-end, and database skills. A full stack developer can build an entire website or web app from scratch. In web development, there are different key concepts. The first one is responsive design. Responsive design is websites that work on all devices, mobile, tablet, desktop, and etc. And the next one is application programming interface or API. It allows different software systems to communicate with each other. And the other is performance optimization. And those are key concepts in web development. I hope you now have clear understanding of what web development is and how it shapes the website and apps we use every single day. Here on Techverse, we will keep exploring everything from web development and programming to new tech trends, AI, and digital innovation, all simplified and explained in a way that anyone can understand. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tech deep dives. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.